Alright, so I got all of the components moved from the Node 202 into the Inwin Chopin, and that took quite a bit of time, as you can imagine. The Inwin Chopin is a very small case, and it takes some patience to build in a case so small. So if you're considering buying this case, definitely keep that in mind. But in the end, I think it was worth it to have the final product. I did run into a few problems with the Cryorig C7. It is touching the mesh, so if you want to pick this case up, you definitely want to consider using the stock cooler, whether it be AMD or Intel, or something like a low profile fan like the Noctua or something along those lines. I mean, even though the Noctua low profile cooler is brown, you won't have to worry about clearance, and you definitely won't have to worry about the noise in this case, because that fan is absolutely quiet. But the Cryorig C7, it can fit. For me, I may have to just orient the fan a little bit differently, like maybe turn it around, like maybe turn it counterclockwise once to try to refit it. But because it just takes so long to build in that case, I'm not going to worry about that for right now. But if you guys have any questions for me about the case, let me know in the comments down below, and I will catch you guys on the next video. Peace.